I've been installing car audio for about 20 years, and I literally just changed the way I do my amp installs last year. So before we get too far into 2024, I want to showcase what we did in 23. These were the first two times I tried this style, both in Jeep Wranglers, and I used way too many zip ties. Next was a Honda Accord, where we had a sub amp and a 4-channel amp, power on one side using SMD fuse blocks and distro blocks, and signal on the other, still mounted to 1/8 inch ABS plastic. Next was a 97 Mustang rebuild. And I ain't gonna lie, after I seen Steve Mead reposted this video, I knew I cut up on this. Both Rock for 5-skate 4-channel and sub amp, signal on the left, power on the right, using SMD fuse blocks and distro blocks once again. I ain't gonna lie, I was proud of that. Next was the Dodge Ram Let's Fix It series. A lot of people was thinking that there's no way that a shop could put out bad work like that, but trust me, there's some shops out here living pretty foul. Either way, we got him cleaned up too. Next was the amp install we did in this 2023 Honda Accord. It's my most popular video, probably one of the cleanest installs I've done in a long time, and honestly this is probably the video that made you guys stumble upon my channel in the first place. Even though the install is real clean, a lot of y'all really resonated with the positive message that I had, and some of y'all still chose to hate. Either way, you can't please everybody. But lastly, we had the 93 SC400. It was the Lexus install that we did with the two audio control amps, 100% removable and serviceable, and I'm trying to get better with every install, so make sure y'all stay tuned. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. God bless y'all. Peace.